Hey guys, listen, Apply 9.1 is just like what we did back in Gallery, just an extension on that. So you're going to have to go back and it's just a little bit less formalized. You're going to make a new page. You don't have to make a mobile folder or anything like that. Just make a new page just through File, New, HTML. Okay, you'll create that. You're going to call that Apply 9. Once you've got that created, you're simply going to go back in and add in your 3 pages, your jQuery mobile pages. Insert jQuery mobile and do your page this way. Okay, so you're going to have your home, you're going to have a framework page, and then you're going to have a device support page. Okay, and this is the content that's going to be in here. One thing that this assignment does not have you do, I'm going to ask you to set this up, is I'd like you to make a home button in the footer to loop back to the main page. So when you preview this to me, all you have to do is make sure you go back to your live view. Now, when you do that, please double check to make sure you have the hide live view displays and then the links continuously selected. I think everything else should be good, so make sure you have that set, and you'll probably have to do that for each of these as you're working through here, unless it remembers it from time to time. So when you click on the framework, you'll go to this simple little paragraph you've typed up here. You got your header in here, click on home. So I'm asking you to add the home button on here. Device support, same thing. You have a bulleted list, add home. This is all you have to show me, and you can do this right within live view, but I do ask and do require that you add the home buttons on there. If you have trouble on this, go back and look at the video at the very end of gallery. Let me know if you got questions.